How to fix Telegram password reset problems. Trouble resetting your Telegram password? Let's break it down. First, make sure you are using the correct phone number with the right country code. Telegram sends the reset code via SMS or Telegram itself, so check both. If you are not getting the code, wait a few minutes and then request again. Avoid requesting too many times in a short period, or you might get temporarily blocked. For accounts with two-step verification, you'll need your password. If you forgot it, tap Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. Telegram might ask for a recovery email. If you didn't set up a recovery email, Telegram cannot reset your password manually. You will need to wait 7 days or try again from the same device. Have you ever forgotten your Telegram password before? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.